This is my newest acquisition. Just got it in the mail today. Let's get it unboxed. I guess you can already see what it is, huh? It's an Orient star. So this is Orient star model number RE-AW0002L00B. That's a very long model number. It says the MSRP, or the suggested retail price, is $1,080. Get a good view of that there. It's a nice box. Ooh. Damn, this is nice. Look at that dial. Like the pillow. Nice pillow here. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, it's the perfect size. That's what I wanted this is the kind of size watch I wanted. Doesn't look too big. So this is a Orient star. It has a power reserve indicator. Also has a small seconds and a date, of course, and that beautiful looking blue dial. That is just wow. Look at that thing shine. You can kind of tell already. Damn, that's beautiful. It also has a polished, I'm gonna say, are the Arabic numerals? Yeah, I'm gonna go with Arabic. Again, this is just has a display back. It's already ticking there, I can tell. Let's see if I can get a better look at that thing. Look at that dial. That's what the picture didn't really sell it that one. Didn't do a good job selling that dial, because that is a hell of a nice dial. Wow, look at that. Looks like it has a nice polished case, Orient star symbol on the crown. It can't tell if it's has a milled deployment clasp, which is nice. Oh, this is a quality watch. I mean, this does not. I mean, I paid. Yeah, I mean, this is not what I would consider an expensive watch, but I think I paid like a little over $400. This feels like a $1,000 watch. Nice display back there. I think this thing runs at about, I'm gonna say 21,600 or 3 hertz. I'm not entirely sure. Oh wow, what a smooth movement. Look at that. There's the date. And I can confirm hacking already. Anyway, this is just kind of like a first look. I guess the bracelet is push pin. But it's a nice, like oyster style. Kind of reminds me of this bracelet. This is my Tissot. I haven't reviewed this on the channel yet, but I kind of wanted to get a watch from each brand to have some representation from all brands, you know? Not necessarily all the brands, but this Orient was a brand I wanted, and I was going to get a normal Orient. I also wanted more representation from more Japanese representation. I only have 2 Seikos. And I definitely wanted something from Orient, and I was looking at getting an Orient Kamaso, or another diver's watch, but I thought those are a dime a dozen, and I wanted something a little more unique, even if I had to pay a little more. But I think this is totally worth it. Just giving. Oh, let me see if we can see the power reserve is going up. I'm winding it. Oh, that's so cool. I've always wanted a power reserve indicator watch with a power reserve complication. I'm getting close to that 50. So that's cool. I mean, I don't, you know, I have a good amount of watches now, and you know, if I'm wearing this a couple times in a week, maybe it's good to know, hey, let me wind this one so I don't have to reset it in the morning or whatever. But yeah, this is a nice watch. Got a nice display case back. Looks like a screw down. Yeah, you can see the Epson is written there, because Orient is owned under the Epson umbrella, I guess. So yeah, I'm gonna wear it for a while, and I'll come back with a full review when I feel confident that I can give my good opinion on it.